Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to get PPF coating done on our Himalayan Scram. It's a matte blue Scram, so there were a lot of confusion on my end. There are a lot of misconceptions about getting what coating to do, whether to do some sort of a coating on your bike or not to protect it from sun or scratches and a lot of other things. And a lot of other confusion to think about whether to get it done or not is another question, and hopefully we'll clear all of those in today's video, so stay tuned. So we are at Got steamer and we just got the PPF done on our Scram, and I'll let Mr. Kunal take over and explain the whole process of PPF and why we chose this instead of ceramic or Teflon or any other thing. And please take over.
Sure, Rutvij. Thanks. First of all, congratulations on your new bike. And the good thing about this guy is, the beginning of a real biker is he bought this bike, and the next day, from Mumbai, he bought this bike in Mumbai, and the next day itself, he, rode down to Bangalore. Hats off to that. Okay, so what we've done here today for Rutvij was he wanted, obviously, a new bike, and all you bikers out there know how much you like to protect the paint and make it look like it's new at any point of time. So something that we've done is we've used the Stek PPF that we have over here, and which is probably one of the best that you can get in the market at this point of time, and especially in India. Something that Rutvij came to us with was how does he give the best protection to the metal parts of the bike, first of all. Yes, so keeping that in mind, we spoke about ceramic, but ceramic, as most of you would know, that will not provide all that kind of protection that you're looking at. The best protection probably will be with a good paint protection film, which we have installed on it just recently. So what we plan to do is going forward, even added protection to probably the headlamps, probably when Rutvij has a little bit more time. So the headlamp also, we're going to cover that, because as we know, it's a very vulnerable bit of the bike. A lot of pits and a lot of chips will happen here on the highway, the kind of riding that this bike demands. Also, the mudguard that you have here, this is also going to be PPF'd a little later, probably in another week or two or something like that we planned. So yeah, so keeping in mind what this bike is capable of doing and the kind of terrain that it's going to encounter, so that's why we went ahead with PPF, and specifically Stek PPF. So I think we did a pretty good job. What do you think?
Wonderful job. Yeah. No, so that's it. The work done was amazing. I'll put the link of the place in the description. It's Sky Car Steamer. It's a amazing place. Everyone working here is just working out of passion and take care of the bike like it's their own. So that's a really good thing. Again, like to thank Shrey as well, who helped me throughout, and Mr. Kunal as well. So yeah. So that's it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed the video, do hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.